Today I'm doing a repair for Larisa Kononov at 243 Royal Tower Way in Cary. This is the shingle I'm going to be repairing. As you can see, the shingles around it are not damaged but are in poor condition. Let's go ahead and attempt this repair. Alright, so I do have a roof snake to put the nails back in and a flat bar to take the nails out. This is going to be a lot less stressful on the shingles because it's less of an angle. So we'll take the nails out with this. First is going to be the lower 4 nails. Let's go ahead and pop these shingles up. All right, and it's gonna be right here, 1, 2, 3. So we'll start over here. This is the first lower nail. All right, and as that nail comes out, it is tearing through that shingle. I'm also being very careful not to lift the shingles too high. And there's the second nail. One more right here. Again, being very careful not to lift these shingles higher than what is necessary. Again, that one is ripping right through the nail hole. You can see the shingle falling apart. That nail hole is not going to be reusable. And this is the last of the lower nails. Again, being very careful just to lift that shingle enough to get that nail out. So there's the lower 4. Let's get the top 4. Here's the first one. All right, that shingle, that nail hole tore open as well. That is not going to be reusable. Where's the second nail? Right here. Again, being very, very careful not to lift these shingles too high. Just enough to get that nail out. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There should be 2 more. 1, 2 right here. Again, that nail head tore right through that hole. So that nail hole is not going to be reusable. That's, I think, 3 or 4. And again with this one as well. Still being very careful not to lift these shingles too high. And we think we have all the nails out. Yep. So we'll go ahead and put this over here. And we will get our new certainteed shingle and slide this in. All right. There we go. The shingle is in. And let's use the roof snake tool to put these nails back. So we'll start with the lower 4 right on this glue strip. And again, using this tool to not lift the shingles too high. There's one. Let's get the next one in. 2. Three. And the last one right here. And then we've got the top 4. So these ones are easier because the nail hole is already where it's supposed to be. But this one, as you can see, is torn open. So we do have one that's not going to be reusable. Let's see. Right here, this nail hole is torn open, falling apart. If we try to reuse that, it is not going to secure this shingle back down. So we're going to have to put one right next to where it was. All right, we're going right to the left of that previous nail. And we got the next one. This nail hole is not going to be reusable as well. We're going to have to go right next to it. We've got 2 more, and then the repair is done. This one is not going to be reusable. If you can see here, so that nail hole right there, much too large for that head. You can see it's about the size of my fingernail. It's not going to be usable, so we had to go next to it. And we've got one last nail to go in. This nail hole is fine. All right. So the repair is done, but as you can see, we've damaged pretty much all the shingles above it. A little breeze, and we've got what looks like the issue we were trying to solve happening on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shingles. So this roof is much too brittle to be repaired, along with the nail holes that we had to reuse. Water is going to be getting into those old nail holes, and these are going to be loose, flapping in the wind. This roof is not repairable. Attempting to repair all 40 of the shingles that are damaged on this roof, it's going to damage 1, 2, 3 times 40. It's about 120 more shingles that are going to get damaged attempting to repair this roof. So we will send in an estimate for replacement, and if you guys have any questions, give me a call. Thank you for your time.